Hello, in this video we're going to discuss the sum, difference and product of sines and cosines. We are going to derive some formulas like sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta equal to 2 times sine alpha and cos beta. Now we can see that this formula is derived from the compound angle formulas of sine alpha plus beta and sine alpha minus beta. The first one, sine alpha plus beta, is equal to sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha and sine beta. Let's call it equation number 1. The second formula will be sine alpha minus beta, which gives us sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. We'll call this equation number 2. Now we can simply add equation 1 and equation 2 to get our final result, that is the formula which is we have written above, sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta. That gives you 2 times sine alpha and cos beta. So this is the one of the important results. Another result can be derived using the same compound angle formulas, but by subtracting those two formulas, such as we can get sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta, which gives us 2 times cos alpha sine beta. Now, just like before, we can write the two formulas, sine alpha plus beta, which again gives us sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. We'll again call it equation 1, and similarly sine alpha minus beta, which was again sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. That is equation 2. And finally we can subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1 to get the final result, sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta, which gives us 2 times cos alpha and sine beta. So this was important derivations. Thank you very much.